Okay, what we're going to do now is a different kind of a reduction. And so we're going to comment out this df code that sampled 500 random rows, and we're going to reset df by running this top cell. We'll go ahead and run this cell after it. Okay, and so we're going to do a new condition, and we're going to change df such that what? Okay, this is how the code to change df. And what we're going to do is put in a new coding cell. We're going to pick one of the columns of interest. Like, let's say we want to only look at rows that have a certain population. Well, the best way to figure this out is to set the population. Okay, look at the descriptive statistics using .describe. And here we see the range of populations. That's from 3 to 35,000. And maybe we want to only look at the most populous quartile or something. And so if we do that, we can say, well, what's the condition? The condition is this column, okay? So we put the whole column inside there, df population, such that, and we can say we want just to be greater than some number. And let's go with the actual quartile. So let's go with 1721. And so this is going to change our data frame only to rows whose housing areas have more than, I guess, 1,721 people in them. Okay, now if we go to runtime and we do, say, restart session and run all, it'll run top to bottom. And because we're redefining df as before, it is actually going to update each of the plots that come after it. Now, when you're at the very end here, you can see they are less populated. When you get to the very end, okay, what do we do with this? Well, everything's fine. You just need to make an adjustment because it's not, when you're doing it randomly, you can keep the title, but you should add something like most populated quarter or something, right? Or most populated areas, So now, like if you run it again, the title is clear that, hey, you're looking at a more limited area of your data frame, and you can see these gaps kind of here in the middle where there aren't a lot of, the areas aren't very populated, and same with Northern California. Okay, and of course you end up with a new plot because that's the advantage also to having your notebook saved properly. And you can see you may have to click to get the right one, like is it the first one or the second one, but if you download it, that's the same one, and then download the new one, and you can check out the new plot, and you can see the title clearly shows you the reduction. Okay, so that's important and really cool. It's a really nice way to vary your scatter plots and to gain insight.